Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you the best settings for the GameSir G7 SE controller. These settings can help you aim faster and play smoother in shooting games. Let's go! First, make sure you install the GameSir app on your PC or Xbox. It's called GameSir Nexus. This is where you change your controller settings. Now, inside the app, turn on the fastest response option. This helps your buttons and joystick react quicker when you press them. Keep the joystick movement area small. This means your character moves as soon as you touch the joystick. Great for fast aiming. Set the triggers to respond as soon as you press them. That way you don't have to press all the way down to shoot. Keep the rest of the settings simple. No cures or changes yet. It is best to test it plain first. Then, go into your game settings. Make sure the joystick does not have delays. Set any dead zone or center zone to 0. Set the outer zone to around 80 or 90% so you can still move smoothly without being too fast. Starter sensitivity, which controls how fast you aim, moves at about 6 or 7. You can change this later based on what feels right for you. These settings work well for games like Call of Duty, Halo, or Fortnite. So, if you want your GameSir G7 SE to feel smooth and fast, turn on the quick response settings, make your joystick and triggers react fast, use low delay in movement, set timing speed sensitivity to a level you can control easily. Try the settings first and change them little by little to match your style. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.